The garage taught me a very big lesson that I've never experienced in my 20 years of schooling. It taught me a very, very big lesson. I learned 3 wealth secrets in the garage. First of all, I was a teacher before. I spent 15 years in the classroom. I followed the rules our principal told us to follow. I acquired the degree, work hard, save the pennies I earn for the learning days, just as they told us to do. But I was educated, but as well broke. But the thing was, I was not happy within myself. The thing pressed me a lot because I have a lot of family responsibilities. My siblings are looking after me. My mom are looking after me. My dad is already dead. They needed to be taken care of. So, and this income I'm receiving on a monthly basis is not helping me at all. So I need a way out. So during the summertime, I joined my cousin brother in the mechanic workshop. For 3 good months I spent there, I learned 3 important lessons. A very big important lesson I've never learned in my life. For the past 20 years of my life, I've learned it in the School of Wealth. But in this garage, I learned this secret. Let me mention the secret. The secret number 1 is leverage versus lineage rebel. Leverage versus linear rebel. In the school, we are told to work hard, and the more you work hard, the more you are going to pay. That is 1 hour of work equal to 1 hour of payment. But in the garage, the case is different. It's totally different. In the garage, the owner of the shop is not working only with the bare hands. He makes use of jack. That jack helps him to lift up 2-ton truck. He also has 4 apprentices that enable him to do the work. So he has built a system. Even in his absence, he will be receiving income. So it's better for us to build a system. If you are working and if your presence is not there, you cannot earn, you are trapped. It's better you change your work, or you start building a system that can work for you when you are not around. The second lesson I learned from that workshop is solution over certificate. In the workshop, the car owners doesn't ask the mechanic man, where is your diploma? Rather, what he asks is, can you help me fix my broken car? Can you help me start my engine? And if the car owner can do so, he will definitely say yes and go ahead to do so. And what I realize is that the bigger the problem you solve, the bigger the amount of income you are going to receive at the end of the day. And the money comes daily. It's not monthly. But unlike in the classroom, you are being paid based, just your salary is fixed. It's only on a monthly basis that you are going to receive that money. And sometimes even at the monthly basis, you may not even receive the money. They will tell you next time we'll pay you together. So, my dear listeners, if you like what I'm doing, just like, comment, and subscribe there. Turn on the notification bell so that you can notice when I posted a new video. Let me tell you the third secret I learned from the mechanic workshop. The third secret I learned there is the velocity of money. In the school, we are told to save for the learning days. Save every money you get for the learning days. That is a way of telling you to be defensive, to be fearful, to have a fearful mindset about how you can spend your money. But in this workshop, the car owner, the owner of the workshop, doesn't save any profit he earned. Rather, he used that profit to pay. He used that profit to buy other things like the parts. He used it to buy the materials he needs to use to work the car, so that in another day he can do the work so fast. So, my dear listeners, It's better for us to build a system that will enable us to work even when we are not present. And another thing we need to do is you need to invest our money. You don't have to put it inside the bank, because that bank you put it there, the money is not multiplying. Rather, it's even decreasing on a daily basis. My fellow listeners, I hope I've shared the 3 secrets I learned from the mechanic workshop. So if you do like what I'm doing, do like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next class. Thank you so much.